Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. I've been really busy lately, so I haven't been able to put together any videos for you. But today I've been able to find some time, so maybe I can put together a few videos today. But yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, so I've had a couple of weeks off. I've actually been painting our house and been very busy with work also. But in the meantime, I just wanted to show you and make you aware of something, especially for new collectors. You're not always going to be aware of all the little things that go on, but today I wanted to show you some stuff that comes out through Australia Post. And if you sign up, especially an email to Australia Post Collectables, if you Google that, you'll find the website. But if you sign up to that each year, in November, possibly late October, certainly toward the start of November, they hold a ballot where they have limited release PNCs. So these are coins in envelopes like you're seeing in front of you here with stamps, and they've got specially dated overstamps and information, and they're limited numbers. So they have probably about maybe 8 to 10 different products that you can say that you're interested in, and you can say you're interested in them all if you want. It doesn't mean you're going to be able to buy them, but they put your name into a ballot, and if there's more people who want it than the number that are available, they will draw your name out of a hat as such, and if you're lucky enough and your name gets drawn, you will get to purchase that item. Now, you don't have to purchase the item. So today I was actually selected for 3 different things, which are the 2 that are in front of you, which we'll have a closer look at the moment. And the other thing was a watch, which, to be honest, I wasn't really interested in, and I didn't think it was going to go up in value. Plus, it wasn't one that I really liked, but I put my name down for probably about 5 or 6 of the different things, and I got selected for 3 of them. So 2 of them I have paid for and since have received. So I thought I'd just show you guys what I actually received, and just make you aware of something special that is out there that usually go up in value, or at least hold their value quite nicely, but certainly very collectible. So the first one is this Remembrance Day. So 11th of the 11th. A new coin usually comes out each and every year, and this time is the 100 years of armistice, which is shown here with a nice bright red poppy in the centre. So this particular PNC was available as a standard issue, but this one here comes with, I think it's got a different overstamp here than the other one that is available in post offices. But this one here is numbered 123 out of 1111. So 11th of the 11th is why each and every year with this particular one they come out with that number of specially designed PNCs. So this one here is, I'll just show you the back as well. They come with plastic covers, but I took them off purely because of the glare, but we're still getting a fair bit of glare. But yeah, it just goes into all the details there. But we'll have a look inside because there's still some nice artwork that they go to, and it tells you a little bit about the actual coin. So there we have. So this is a bit of card that holds the coin, and there we can see there a kiss from France. Okay, and then on the back tells you a little bit about the coin and the weights and what they're made of, and who the designer was. So that's all the information there on that one. So the second one I was able to get a hold of is, now 2019, there will be a new effigy of the Queen. Now I don't know if it's going to be rolled out in 2019 or 2019 will be the last, but of the old effigy. But this particular PNC is to recognise the changeover as such between the two effigies. So yeah, I feel quite lucky. I got 149 of 150. Probably the two best numbers to get is number 1 and number 150, but I don't know whether or not having 149 is anything special or adds any additional value, but yeah, I'm quite happy with 149, as I was quite happy with the numbers 1, 2, 3 on the other one. So yeah, this is the new effigy, which is designed by from the UK Mint, the Royal Mint. So we're using this same effigy, and if I flip it over, it's got the current effigy there. So it's a silver dollar coin. It has some more information on the back there regarding who the designer was, and it does say there the effigy is based on a new design from the Royal Mint, United Kingdom. So Jody Clark is the person who designed the new effigy, and Ian Rank Broadley is the designer of this particular effigy. So we'll have a look inside this one as well and see what this has to say. Okay, come on out. Alright. So it is a lovely design, and it's a proof coin. And there's the details there. So $1 coin, 25 millimeters, 11.66 grams, basically pure silver. And yeah, it just mentions the designers there and the proof. So yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. So be aware that that these things are available to you as collectors. So well and truly worth signing up. They do have other special offers during the year, so make sure you have a look, and they'll certainly keep you up to date on all things stamps and coins. So yeah guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and look forward to bringing you more soon. Thanks for watching.